Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open.
My garden is starting to look a lot like Christmas. I don't know if it's just me, but after a freeze, my vegetables look like Christmas ornaments. Wouldn't that be the prettiest Christmas ornament to put on the tree? Look at that. Look at them ornaments. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas to everybody you meet. First off, this is why I can't be great. I can't be great like this. I thought it was something I was doing. Then I realized it gets down to 28 degrees once a week. So once my plants thaw out, then we got to get back to growing. What makes it worse, it's going to be about 70 degrees today. So my plants have to endure, I don't know, a 40-degree drop in temperatures in less than 24 hours. Yeah, it's just not working out. It's ice everywhere. Almost like an ice garden. How can I be great like this? How can I be great? Somebody please tell me. Can't be great at all like this. But I always keep in mind that nature is set up perfectly. So when you get a bunch of hard frost, then the gnat population and pest population, it should be smaller in spring. So the frost ain't always bad, y'all. It's a lot of good benefits to frost. Now, I'm inside the greenhouse now. It's probably, I don't know, 45 degrees in here. It's pretty warm in here compared to what it is outside. Maybe not 45, maybe 40 degrees. But it's 30, 31 out. Something like that, 31. Don't quote me on that. That's neither here nor there. But this is the problem I have, y'all. And this is medicine ball tea from Starbucks. I'm not an affiliate yet. Starbucks. But yeah, once you have drastic temperature drops like that, from 30 degrees to 7 degrees, it's hard to have a successful garden. It really is. As much as I tried to amend my soil, make sure everything was great in my soil, make sure I stayed on top of my fertilization game, it's hard for your garden to overcome drastic changes in weather. It's not always what you're doing. Sometimes it's just Mother Nature say, it ain't the right time. It just ain't the right time. So I gotta be patient and wait closer to spring and everything will pop back. But as soon as my collard greens and my brassica get growing good, we have a cold spell come through. And it's not cold, it's 28. It's just cold enough to knock everything back. And that's what I've been running into. If this is what you're running into, please don't beat yourself upside the head and think it's something that you're doing wrong. It ain't always us. Sometimes the time just ain't right to be great. I don't know who need to hear that, but sometimes it just ain't the time for you to be great. Sometimes you have to wait for opportunity and be prepared for opportunity when opportunity presents itself for your garden to be great. Now, who knows that after a good frost, that collard greens taste so much better. They are kissed by this frost and it changed the flavor for a lot of vegetables, including cabbage. So a good frost on your cabbages makes your cabbages delicious, makes your collard greens delicious. A lot of good benefits of having frost, y'all. Another cool benefit of the frost, fruit production in the spring. A lot of these trees have a lot of chill outs and they need this frost. This apple tree needs this frost so I can get some apples finally off this tree. There's a lot of good benefits. In the case of parsnips, a frost turns the starch into sugar. You should never harvest parsnips before a decent frost. It's a good benefit. Another advantage, fig trees need about 100 chill hours. A lot of people don't know that. Fig trees need a few chill hours. Peach trees usually need 500 to 600 hours of chill hours. That's why in a lot of warmer climates, people can't grow peach trees. So thank you for the frost. Thank you, we appreciate it. Now, I might have picked the wrong day to plant strawberries in my food forest, but I don't think they're gonna die. I think they're gonna be okay. But yeah, I got everything mulched out. My dreams of my permaculture food forest are coming together. Then I got lemongrass. It's not a perennial in my area, but I dug a bunch of wood chips around it. Now this Ivy Organics I put on here, when the tree get cold and it expands, the water expands on it, I don't want that to crack anymore. So that's another reason I put it on there. Hard frost, the water expands on there and it can do some damage to your tree. But everything gonna be all right though. All in all, it's a lot of advantages to having a frost. Frost is always looked at as something that kills your plants, but there's so many beautiful benefits to a frost that we got to sit back and just enjoy it. If nothing else, that cold come through and push and kill some of the pests that we will have next spring. So enjoy the frost and enjoy the life. It ain't always bad.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender